Hi guys, I'm Zena. I'm the editorial director at Hum, and today we are talking morning routines because our new box, dun 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 dun, is Morning Glory themed. If you'll notice, we have an artist, Tim, who works on these every month, and he has these Morning Glory flowers on the outside, which is one of my favorites. It's very cheerful. Let's open it up. This is the 5 box. When you take our quiz and sign up for your monthly vitamin subscription, depending on how many you get, you may get the 3 box, which is what we usually show, but this does come in a 5 box as well. If you're someone like me who takes a bunch of vitamins every day. These actually are all the vitamins I'm taking right now every day, including our new pre and probiotic Skin Heroes, which has been great. Really recommend. Okay. So, in our box here, we have our pamphlet that has the theme, Morning Glory, and if you open it, we get into talking about making your mornings more glorious with these little boosts you can add to your morning routine. So we gave options for whether you are in a rush in the mornings and maybe only have 5 minutes, or maybe you can wake up earlier and you have a whole 60 minutes that you can devote to implementing something new into your morning routine. I personally subscribe to this. I just think having something that you do consistently first thing in the day for yourself is really grounding and just sets you up for success throughout the rest of the day to feel like you've kind of done something good. You've been good to yourself in case everything else goes wrong in that day and no one is nice to you, God forbid, or something horrible happens. At least knowing that you have those 5 minutes or 30 minutes or however long that it is to just set yourself up is highly recommended. Personally, like I used to do a 5-minute breath work and then 10 minutes of meditation every day. So it's just like 15 minutes, super easy, and it just got my head in a good space. Right now, I'm doing BBG as my morning, daily morning time to myself, and that takes up about 30 minutes. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you're not already so you can see the final results of that. It's been 12 weeks, I have 4 more left, so yeah, that's been my daily morning time. Subscribe, you won't want to miss it. We're gonna show the before and after results. It's gonna be real good. Okay, moving along, we also send out every month a little sample to you guys, and this month we are sampling these hydropeptide polypeptide collagen eye gels. These are great. We actually got these into the office a while ago. I brought a few home and my friends still ask, like, do you have any more of those hydropeptide eye gels? Like it's the only thing that works on my bags. I swear by them, they're really good. And they also included a card to tell you more about it. And there's also a discount code on there for 20% off for Hum subscribers. If you want to get started with your own personalized Hum vitamin subscription, we'll include the link below to get started. It's just a 3-minute quiz. It's really quick and fun to take, and a nutritionist will get back to you with personalized results. If you have any questions, comments down below, we'd love to hear them. Otherwise, subscribe, stay tuned for more from us soon. Bye. Done? Did I do it? Did I do it? Did she do it? Is the sound recording? Did we not record the whole thing?